IBISWorld for meetings and conversations. We provide independent third-party analysis for over 590 industries in the UK. Accountants at all levels use IBISWorld to show commercial awareness, have engaging conversations, and show themselves off as trusted advisors by understanding the issues their clients are facing. IBISWorld covers over 590 UK industries, which each have 3 report types. The industry report provides a full overview of the performance of the industry, market dynamics, SWOT analysis, key trends affecting operators in the industry, and much more. The risk report looks at the risk of operating in the industry for the next 12 to 18 months. The iExpert summarises the information from the other 2 report types into a condensed meeting and conversation preparation document. All of our content is updated on a regular basis with publicly available and independent information sources. The first section of an IBISWorld report is the recent development subchapter, which provides accountants with the key factors impacting an industry's performance and recent economic shifts. Get up to speed very quickly on the market size and market dynamics with key facts and figures. Use the industry structure to quickly identify the negatives, positives, and key concerns of the industry. Click on any one of these factors to access further analysis. You can find key benchmarking information on the industry and sector performance. The key operational and performance benchmarks include the breakdown of products and services, who the major players are, and what the average costs are for a company in this industry and also for the sector. Use the performance summary to quickly uncover the past, current, and expected performance of the industry so you're prepared before a client meeting. The key threats and opportunities affecting the client can help guide your questions in client meetings to uncover more. This is great to read if you only have 5 minutes before a meeting. Use our call preparation questions to show commercial awareness and have engaging conversations on the key market dynamics that are impacting your client's industry. Our questions are broken down by specific roles, macroeconomic drivers, and industry best practice. Each question has an overview underneath providing background information to enable accountants at all levels to feel confident in conversing with clients. This enables you to build instant rapport and instill confidence in the customer. IBISWorld's risk analysis offers insight on the 12 to 18-month forecast for the operational difficulties facing an industry. We consider 3 types of factors in an industry: the structural risk, growth risk, and macroeconomic risk. Before a meeting, you can quickly highlight the factors that are contributing the highest score and so the cause for most concern, with the structural risk, the growth risk, and sensitivity risk, which has the macroeconomic factors. The final graph shows the evolution of the risk score over time, with the dots at the end being the current risk scores. To find out more on how accountants use IBISWorld, please contact your client relationship manager.